moving into our next award category, which is number 1 in nephrology, the super specialty hospital. Who's our winner?
The Department of Nephrology at Manipal Hospitals, Bhubaneswar is recognized for delivering comprehensive and advanced kidney care through clinical excellence, cutting-edge technology, and a patient-first approach. Backed by a team of experienced nephrologists, the department specializes in diagnosis and management of chronic kidney disease, acute kidney injury, hypertension, electrolyte disorders, and complex renal conditions. Equipped with state-of-the-art hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis facilities, the department provides world-class care for patients with renal failure and end-stage kidney disease. Its expertise extends to kidney transplantation, including pre- and post-transplant care, swap kidney transplantation, and advanced renal support therapies. Through multidisciplinary collaboration, innovation, and compassionate care, Manipal Hospitals continues to transform kidney health outcomes across Odisha and beyond.